I'm on the porch of St. John Deliverance Tabernacle. There's possibly still some unauthorized construction that's going on here at St. John. People's lives are in danger when you do work without a permit. We stayed away from the church because we don't want to cause any problems and have them keep calling the police. But this is different. James is a trustee. I am a minister. We have credentials and I have paperwork. And they're probably going to call the police because they can see me on the Ring camera.
We're letting you know that she called. We want to get your side of the story.
Yeah, right. I see what you're saying. But at this point, what are my rights?
My only question is, they said last time that you were in court and you were told that you're no longer on the paperwork here because they removed you from the parish. Did the court inform you that you're not allowed to be on the property at all?
No.
So there's no documentation anywhere that says you've been served with that?
No.
You got some sort of letter at some point, right? What did that say? Where was that from?
Bishop Ron Stringfield, who's not supposed to be there, he has no authority there. He wrote a letter and he used the Village Hall security guard company to block us from walking in. There was nothing that kept us from going inside. We decided not to go inside because we don't want to create issues. We don't want to create a problem. But as far as having something valid, something legitimate to keep us from walking into that church, they don't have it. They have a letter that they created.
Yeah.
Okay? But there is nothing from the court.
If you want to come back, if you think that they're going to give you a problem, like today they obviously called the police, just give us a call, give us a heads up, and we'll go with you. We'll look at the permit together, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Because then it covers you even more. So it's like you did it in the presence of law enforcement, and we don't know if what the whole letter thing, it's what you say and what they say. We don't know what the truth is.
I see what you're saying. But now, if you got something legitimate from the court that we're not supposed to be on the property.
Like if you got it, right?
Like if I got it, then that's something that you could enforce.
Yeah.
Right, that would be a trespass. But if the judge hasn't written anything, if the court hasn't written anything.
This is a civil issue right now, it's one thing. But
right.
Once you're officially, if there's an order of protection or any type of paperwork signed by a judge that says procedurally you're not allowed to be back here, that's still within that area, but once you break that, it turns criminal, the penal law. That's what I'm saying.
Right, but doesn't
you guys it's a civil issue you guys have going on.
But doesn't that have to be from a judge?
Yeah.
That's
doesn't that have to be from the court?
Of course.
Yeah.
We don't have that. So I can walk up there and look at a permit if I want to.
No, we're just saying that you know that they're going to call the police when you do that. So
I'm telling you right now,
I would think that you guys need a court order.
Yeah, that's why we're not doing any charges on you or anything.
Right. If you guys don't have a court order.
When we were talking to her, she's saying that you were told by the court. We don't know who's telling the truth.
Oh, she said no, we've never been told by the court. There was nothing served. We were not served with anything, and I think that they should provide that evidence.
It'd be documented what they're saying.
Yeah, they had to provide that evidence.
If it's not served, it's not valid yet. If you guys weren't served yet, okay, then that doesn't mean anything. Then that means you weren't trespassing if that was the case.
Oh, how you doing, officer?
Called?
No, I didn't call. They see me on the Ring camera, and they call you. It's the same situation.
Yeah.
Officer. Yeah, it's the same situation.
Okay.
There's nobody here. Can I show you some documents?
Sure.
Okay. This is the papers for this church, St. John Deliverance Tabernacle. These are the trustees. James Alston, my brother, whom you met, John and Zelma Scott, Ophelia Taylor, Garfield Allen, Sarah Allen. They're all trustees. This is from Donna Silverman's office, the county clerk's office. She signed this stating that I have searched the religious corporations records office, found St. John Deliverance Tabernacle was filed on February 23rd, 1976, and this corporation has not been discontinued or dissolved. These are the articles of incorporation. These are the trustees, the 7 trustees that have been deceased. The only person, 2 people alive, is James Alston and Sarah Allen. James Alston's name is right here. We're just waiting for the court to make this final, but he's the only trustee. There's none of them. Patricia Williams said that she was a trustee, but you have to go through the county clerk's office. There is no court order that bans us from the church, and my brother he's a trustee, he could get a court order to ban all of them because of this paperwork, but we refuse to do that, Officer Cully. We don't need to do that, but they'll call the police on us. But we'll never call the police on them. They keep calling the police on us.
So, what is your role here then? You're the trustee? You're a trustee here? It's a dispute in the courts over the ownership of the church, correct?
Well, not the ownership, over authority, because you can't own a 501c3. And this is an Article 9 church. You can't own it. But the people that are in authority are the trustees.
So then what is the court case about then?
That's what the court case is about, is establishing authority.
To what? To be in charge of the church?
To be in charge of the church.
Custodian of the church?
Exactly. Right. Exactly. And see, that's all these people that I showed you, those are the people that are in charge. They're deceased. You got one person who's, you have two people. One person is active though, and that's my brother James.
Okay.
So this is from Donna Silverman's office. What I showed you is her signature. She said, as of November 2025.
But
they're not an authority. She's not an authority,
okay.
According to this.
Who is then?
James Alston and Sarah Allen. Sarah doesn't want anything to do with the church. She is actually in North Carolina, but it's James Alston.
So you did what you had to do then, right?
Not yet. Not yet. I need to wait.
Wait for what?
I need to wait. I need to wait for some information.
Okay.
Officer Cully.
All right. They just don't want you on the property anymore, okay? Thank you.
Well, they're going to have to get a court order.
Okay.
Now, I did get the information that I need, and it looks like there's nothing going on here.
Okay.
So,
Just give me 1 second.
so I'm going to take off. 'Cause
Okay.
I got what I needed.
Okay. You going to work?
No.
Oh.
No.
You work at the hospital, right?
James does.
James does.
Yeah, James. James works at the hospital.
What do you do? Because you got the BDU pants on too.
Oh, I'm retired. I'm a Navy veteran, Persian Gulf War veteran. Yeah.
All right.
All right, officer.